So I was talking about my studio Atelier in Florence, Italy, and well, I made this door look nice because before it wasn't like this, and I worked on it quite a lot. I used to produce these paintings of bedrooms and kitchens and things like that, houses, houses in the countryside. This is from my walks in Careggi, or in the countryside, and I mean, all this came from being able to have a place to do my paintings. I used to do these kind of paintings, this was where I began to work on my ideas, and then this came out of it. This is in Paris in 2020 at Margaret's house. Margaret Crowther. She was allowing people to stay in her little house in the number 13 Rue Jonquois in the garden. So we all took the opportunity to stay there and do things. And this I sent to LA to my friend who had a show there in 2021, and it just basically was a good time, But my highest period was this one here, which is in Frankfurt, when I did a show at the Workers' Union in 2018. That was the best time, and I am still dreaming of going on one of these ships because that looked really fun. And then I also, at the same time, I was doing stuff for San Gimignano for a friend of mine called Christian Barnabé, who is a painter. And so, it all came from this being able to have the studio and to work on my paintings. That was very fortunate.